Hi everyone! So if you're like me and you're spending a lot of time at home these days, you're gonna love my DIY lip scrub recipe, especially because if you have chapped lips or you wear a lot of like lipstick and it makes your lips so dry, this lip scrub is gonna totally invigorate your lips. And the best part is you likely have all of the ingredients already, so you don't have to go anywhere. So I've got 3 awesome lip scrub recipes for you, and the great thing is that you could easily double or triple the ingredients so that you could use it as a hand scrub, which I love doing because it sloughs off all the dead skin cells, and as a foot scrub as well. Just make sure you moisturize after. I love using my body butter and it makes your hands so silky soft. So those are my 3 recipes. The basic recipe is just in the description box, and the other 2 you will find on joyoushealth.com. I hope this gives you silky smooth kissable lips. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Of course, if you guys have any questions or comments, just post below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much guys, and have a joyous day. Bye!